Ever feel like the little repetitive tasks in the kitchen, chopping garlic, waiting for water to boil, or measuring tiny amounts, steal more time than they should? What if there were 5 simple gadgets you probably haven't come across yet that quietly cut those minutes away without complicated setups or expensive machines? Today, we're discovering useful 2026 finds that many people say make everyday cooking and prep noticeably faster and easier. No hype, no overpromises, just practical tools worth knowing about. Let's start with one that turns a messy, sticky job into one quick press. First, an electric garlic press and peeler combo. Drop in a few cloves, press the button, and it peels and crushes them instantly. No sticky fingers, no knife dulling on skins, no chopping board to clean afterward. Many home cooks say this saves a couple of minutes every time garlic is on the menu, especially helpful for quick sauces, stir-fries, or roasted dishes when you're in a rush. Next, a microwave pasta cooker. Add dry pasta and water directly in the container, microwave it for about 9 to 11 minutes, then drain using the built-in lid. No waiting for a large pot to boil, no stove overflow, no extra pot taking up sink space. It's a straightforward shortcut to al dente pasta on busy weeknights, with far less cleanup involved. Number 3. One-handed herb scissors with a built-in leaf stripper. Snip fresh herbs straight over your pan or bowl, or pull stems through the stripper holes to remove leaves in seconds. Faster and cleaner than grabbing a knife and cutting board every time you need basil, cilantro, or parsley. Many people find it speeds up seasoning and garnishing. Less time prepping means you spend more time actually eating. Fourth, a clip-on silicone strainer like the snap and strain style. Clip it onto the rim of your pot or pan, pour out water or broth. The flexible silicone holds securely while letting liquid escape and keeping food inside. No heavy pot lifting to transfer to a colander, no extra dish to wash, no spills on the counter. Users often say it saves steps and hassle when draining pasta, veggies, or even ground meat, one less obstacle between you and dinner. And last, an electronic digital measuring spoon scale. Scoop your ingredient, spices, baking powder, coffee grounds, and the built-in LCD screen shows the precise weight right away. It handles grams, ounces, milliliters, or even cups on some models with accuracy down to 0.1 grams. No switching to a separate scale, no dirtying multiple spoons, no guessing small amounts. Many precise cooks and bakers say this cuts time on measuring and reduces counter clutter for everyday recipes. So, there you have 5 time-saving kitchen gadgets you might not have known existed. Small, practical tools that can make cooking feel a little smoother day to day. Which one do you think would save you the most time right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this gave you a useful idea, hit like, subscribe for more practical gadget discoveries, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next list. Links to check them out are in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope you find something that makes your kitchen routine just a bit easier.